Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily remove microphone static in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once the application launches and you're on the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the configuration window where you can adjust various aspects of OBS to optimize your recording or streaming setup. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find several different categories. Click on Audio to access all the audio-related settings for your setup. This section allows you to configure everything related to your microphone and audio inputs, which is essential for getting clear, professional-sounding audio in your recordings or streams. Now, within the audio settings, you'll need to locate the option for mic/auxiliary audio. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and you'll see a list of available audio devices. From this list, select your default microphone. This ensures that OBS is capturing audio from the correct source, which is crucial for eliminating static and unwanted noise from your recordings. After selecting your microphone, click Apply to save your changes and then click OK to close the settings window. This confirms your audio device selection and prepares your setup for the next steps. Next, navigate to the mic/aux section in your main OBS interface. You'll notice a small icon positioned right beside it. Click on this icon and from the menu that appears, select Filters. This is where you'll be able to add audio filters that dramatically improve your microphone quality by reducing background noise and static. In the Filters window that opens, look at the left side where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon and a list of available filters will appear. From this list, select Noise Gate, then click OK. The Noise Gate filter works by cutting off audio input when it falls below a certain threshold, effectively eliminating low-level static and background noise when you're not speaking. Now you'll want to add another filter to further enhance your audio quality. Click the plus icon again on the left side and this time select Noise Suppression from the list. Click OK to add this filter. Noise suppression uses advanced algorithms to actively reduce constant background noise and static, giving your microphone a much cleaner and more professional sound. With both filters now added to your microphone, click the Close button to exit the Filters window. You've successfully configured OBS to remove microphone static and background noise, resulting in significantly clearer audio for your recordings and streams. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.